Now, I'm not one to ever try and cope with the fact that PA was trash or say anything like that, but today was honestly one of the worst trading days I've seen in a long time. Going to the day, I did see that price was displacing higher, so my targets for the day were this hourly 4-hour high I had marked out, and I did see that ES was the more bullish pair. We were closer to the draw on ES compared to NQ, so I was looking to just take that trade on ES today. But if we were going to displace lower, I was looking at this 4-hour untapped gap right over here. And then off market open, ES ends up sweeping out London highs almost immediately and just chopping around higher. On the 5-minute time frame, I did see that we were forming a really nice continuation higher. When we tapped into this 5-minute gap, we held it and we were starting to flip higher. And I was waiting for this 5-minute candle close to fully close before I took my entry to these 4-hour highs. But then on the last second of the 5-minute candle close, we ended up rejecting higher, and that's when I pretty much called it. My thought process behind it was if we weren't going to make a move off this 5-minute continuation, which was pretty clean, then we're most likely not going to take the draw because we did also have really low volume on both pairs today. And you can see I made the right move because the rest of New York AM, we did absolutely nothing. But then around 11 a.m., we did end up displacing lower to the untapped 4-hour, but that I was already off for the day and I wasn't going to trade that late anyways. So since I set a few conditions for myself today that I wanted to see us tap into a gap with good displacement and good volume, and a lot of these conditions weren't met, especially the volume and displacement part, I pretty much just knew that it was a clear sign for me not to trade today.